On the long road of life, we are often troubled by self-doubt. Whenever we face challenges or failures, our hearts always have a questioning voice. Am I good enough? Can I overcome these difficulties? Self-confidence is not an unattainable dream, but our inner glory. So, how can we break through these doubts and find true inner confidence? Self-doubt often stems from uncertainty about self-ability, and everyone has an infinite light in their heart. This light is not given by the outside world, but by our own strength. True self-confidence comes from a deep understanding and acceptance of yourself. When we know ourselves clearly and accept all imperfections, confidence and light will naturally follow. Every challenge and difficulty we have is a test of our inner light. Through these experiences, we can get closer to our true selves and find true confidence. Self-doubt often makes us lose our way on the road of life. The real root of self-confidence lies in the complete acceptance of oneself. When we can accept all aspects of ourselves, including those defects we think, our inner light will be brighter. True wisdom lies in understanding your inner world and accepting all imperfections. In this way, our self-confidence will become strong and real. Every challenge is a part of our growth. Through these challenges, we can understand ourselves more deeply, so as to achieve real self-breakthrough. When facing self-doubt, we are often confused and helpless. This feeling is like an invisible wall blocking our way forward. The key to overcoming these doubts is to deeply understand your inner world. Everyone is unique and has their own strengths and shortcomings. Accepting these qualities and finding your own strength in challenges is an important step to build self-confidence. When our hearts reach calm, self-doubt will disappear, and our true self-confidence will follow. In the process of breaking through self-doubt, we need to learn to be full of compassion and understanding for ourselves, so that we can achieve real self-growth. Self-doubt often makes us anxious and uneasy. The key to self-realization is to know and accept yourself. Every challenge and difficulty we have is a part of our self-realization. When we can understand our hearts and accept everything about ourselves, including past mistakes and shortcomings, our self-confidence will follow. When we can clearly see our inner world, confidence and light will naturally appear. In the process of breaking through self-doubt, we need to maintain compassion and understanding for ourselves, so that we can achieve real self-breakthrough and growth. Self-doubt often makes us feel inner darkness and confusion. This kind of darkness is like fog, making it difficult for us to see the road ahead. True self-confidence comes from the light of the heart, and this light is manifested through self-acceptance and understanding. When we can accept all aspects of ourselves, whether it is strengths or weaknesses, our inner light will become brighter. When our hearts reach calm and we no longer doubt ourselves, self-confidence will follow. Every challenge and difficulty is a part of our inner light. Through these challenges, we can understand ourselves more deeply, so as to find true confidence and strength.